Another starting place is looking to vegan recipes, which not all of them, but a lot of them might have some allergens out of the mix. So if a kid has multiple foods they need to avoid, um, think of we have three potential food allergens here that we can think of. So egg, some vegan substitutes are applesauce or aquafaba, the canned bean juice. For milk, now I want to explain this one. I put avocado, but that's not necessarily like a recipe, a baking recipe substitute. However, if you have access, if your school district has access to avocado, that can add creaminess. So if we can't put mayo on a sandwich, for instance, that avocado texture is going to add that creaminess that mayo has for a student that's egg free, for instance. And then same thing, nutritional yeast. Again, that's more of a cheesy flavor that we can add for milk-free students. And then wheat, looking to our cornstarch or our rice flour. This year at our school district, we made a homemade turkey gravy. And my request was, can we please not thicken it with wheat flour? Can we do cornstarch instead? And of course, the kitchen staff knocked it out of the park. Like, oh yeah, that's easy. So just thinking of that stuff ahead of time in preparation for students who might have multiple allergens.